welcome to the video, everybody. I do want to apologize for taking so long to put out another video and for kind of the state of my office right now. It is a bit of a nightmare, really. We have been repainting the walls, and because of that, I've had pretty much everything pulled off of the walls, so I haven't been able to do a whole lot in here. I've barely even been able to use my computer, really. So it's finally complete. Well, not complete. It's almost complete. The walls are finished. I've been able to put everything just about back to where it needs to be, and I'm kind of putting the final touches on it right now. But moving on, we're going to be going over today a 5-minute overnight oatmeal recipe that I guarantee you guys are going to love. Let's start off with the ingredients we're going to need. First off, we're going to need half a cup or 40 grams of raw oatmeal. Next, we need 2 servings or 4 tablespoons of peanut butter powder. Any peanut butter powder will work. However, for today, I'm using PB Fit. The third ingredient is going to be a milk base of some kind. This can be whole milk, skim milk, 2%, 4%, but for me, I'm going to be using an unsweetened almond milk, and we need half a cup or 120 milliliters for this recipe. Now, the fourth ingredient we'll need is a tablespoon or 15 grams of raw organic honey. I like to use honey in place of artificial sweeteners or sugar simply because of the micronutrients that it contains, as well as the health benefits that honey can provide. Next, we're going to be needing half a cup of Greek yogurt. For today's video and today's recipe, I'm going to be using non-fat Greek yogurt. However, you can use 2%, 4%, whole milk Greek yogurt, whatever your choice. The only difference will be in how the final result tastes, because the higher percentage yogurt you use, the more savory the flavor is going to be, but also the more fat that you're going to add into the meal. So keep that in mind. The next ingredient is going to be just a dash, just a pinch of cinnamon. And then finally, we're gonna top the oatmeal with 50 grams or approximately half of a large banana sliced up and spread over the top of the oatmeal. Now for today's recipe, we'll be making everything inside of a mason jar. You can also do this inside of a Tupperware container. The main thing is you wanna make sure you have a lid that is airtight and seals fully when you're storing these in the refrigerator. Otherwise, they can dry out and spoil in the refrigerator. All right, let's start mixing all these ingredients. To start off, we're gonna weigh out our oatmeal. Again, we want half a cup or approximately 40 grams of just dry oatmeal. Next, we need our peanut butter powder. We're using 2 servings of PB Fit, which is equal to approximately 4 tablespoons or 24 grams of peanut butter powder. The third ingredient we're going to add is going to be our milk base. So again, for me, I'm using unsweetened almond milk, and we're going to be adding half a cup or approximately 120 milliliters. It can also be weighed out as grams of unsweetened almond milk. Next, we're going to add in our tablespoon or approximately 15 grams of honey before mixing everything together so far. The reason we want to mix everything together so far is so that the oatmeal properly absorbs all of the liquids we've added and you don't get any dry, funky clumps while you're eating it. This way, everything will be nice and consistently smooth and creamy as you're eating it after it's been sitting overnight. Now, the next ingredient we're going to add is half a cup or about 110 to 115 grams of Greek yogurt. Again, I'm using fat-free Greek yogurt. However, you can use any Greek yogurt or any yogurt base that you prefer. Once the yogurt's been added, we're gonna top it with half of a large sliced banana. Again, this is gonna come out to about 50 grams of banana is the target. After that, we're gonna top everything with just a pinch, just a little dash of cinnamon to give it a little extra flavor. And there you go, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've learned something. I hope you've taken something away. And as always, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe for more videos like this coming out all the time. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.